You probably think nuts are one of the healthiest snacks out there, and in many ways you're right. They're packed with healthy fats, plant protein, and nutrients that support your heart, brain, and immune system. But here's something most people never hear. Not all nuts are great for your kidneys. In fact, depending on your kidney function, a few of your favorite nuts could be doing quiet damage over time. So today, let's talk about what's really going on. Which nuts help protect your kidneys, which ones can harm them, and how to enjoy them safely. First, let's get something straight. Your kidneys are your body's built-in filters. Two bean-shaped powerhouses that quietly clean about 50 gallons of blood every single day. They remove waste, balance electrolytes, and help regulate blood pressure. But once they start to lose function, even by 20 or 30%, things you used to handle easily, like extra minerals or salt, can start to build up. That's when problems begin. Two minerals play a major role in this story: potassium and phosphorus. Both are essential for your body. You need them for muscle contraction, bone health, nerve signaling, and energy. But when your kidneys can't keep up, these minerals start to accumulate in your bloodstream. And that's where the trouble begins. Too much potassium can trigger irregular heartbeats or even cardiac arrest in severe cases. Too much phosphorus can weaken your bones and harden your arteries, basically aging your body from the inside out. Now here's where nuts come in. Many of them are loaded with potassium and phosphorus. And while that's a good thing if your kidneys are perfectly healthy, it's not so great if they're under any kind of stress, like if you have diabetes, high blood pressure, or even mild chronic kidney disease. Let's start with the ones that can be problematic. Almonds, cashews, and pistachios are three of the biggest culprits. Don't get me wrong, they're incredibly nutritious. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, cashews have copper and magnesium, and pistachios offer antioxidants and protein, but they're also very high in phosphorus and potassium, so if your kidneys aren't at 100%, these can easily overload your system. When excess phosphorus builds up in your blood, your body tries to balance it by pulling calcium out of your bones. That weakens your skeleton and causes calcium deposits in your blood vessels, not something you want. Over time, this process contributes to bone pain, stiffness, and cardiovascular issues. And if potassium levels rise too high, it can throw off your heartbeat and cause fatigue, weakness, or even numbness in your limbs. So does that mean you should give up nuts entirely? Absolutely not. The key is moderation and smart choices. There are plenty of nuts that are lower in potassium and phosphorus, which makes them much safer for your kidneys while still giving you those amazing health benefits. Macadamia nuts are one of the best examples. They're buttery, satisfying, and have some of the lowest potassium and phosphorus levels among all nuts. Plus, they're high in monounsaturated fats, the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil, which support your cardiovascular system without stressing your kidneys. Next up are pecans. They're also low in phosphorus and potassium, and they provide antioxidants that help combat inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy for your kidneys because it damages the tiny blood vessels that keep them functioning properly. Eating anti-inflammatory foods like pecans can help reduce that risk over time. And then there are walnuts, another great option. They do contain a little more phosphorus than macadamias or pecans, but they also bring something special to the table: plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. Those omega-3s help reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel health, both of which indirectly support your kidneys. So a small handful of walnuts a few times a week can actually be a smart addition. Let's pause for a second because this next part is important. Most people don't realize that how your nuts are prepared can make a big difference. Many commercial nuts, especially flavored or roasted varieties, are loaded with sodium. And high sodium is one of the biggest threats to kidney health. It raises blood pressure, forces your kidneys to work harder, and accelerates kidney damage over time. So here's a simple rule. Always choose unsalted or lightly salted nuts and read labels carefully. If the sodium content per serving is more than 150 milligrams, put it back on the shelf. Your kidneys will thank you. Also, check for additives, specifically phosphorus-based preservatives. They're often added to processed nut butters or flavored nuts to keep them fresh longer. You'll spot them on labels as words ending in phosphate or phosphoric. These are much more easily absorbed than natural phosphorus, meaning they raise your blood levels faster. If you see them listed, it's best to skip that product altogether. Now, what about peanuts? Technically, they're legumes, not true nuts. But nutritionally, they're pretty close. Peanuts have a moderate amount of phosphorus and potassium, so if your kidneys are healthy, they're perfectly fine in moderation. Just choose natural, unsalted peanut butter. No hydrogenated oils, no sugar, no phosphates. If you have kidney issues, limit peanuts to small portions and rotate with lower phosphorus nuts like macadamias or pecans. Here's another sneaky factor: oxalates. These natural compounds are found in many plant foods and can contribute to kidney stones in some people. Almonds and cashews are especially high in oxalates. If you've ever dealt with kidney stones, you may want to limit those. On the flip side, macadamias, pecans, and walnuts are much lower in oxalates. Another reason they're better for kidney-conscious eaters. Now let's talk about portion size. Nuts are healthy, but they're also calorie-dense, about 160 to 200 calories per ounce. That's roughly a small handful. Eating too many can add excess calories and fat, which over time can contribute to weight gain. And excess weight is another stress factor for your kidneys. So aim for small handfuls, maybe 1/4 cup, a few times a week instead of every day, especially if you're managing your weight or kidney health. Here's a simple way to enjoy nuts wisely. Mix a small portion of macadamias or pecans with some kidney-friendly fruits like blueberries, strawberries, or apples. You'll get antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats all in one snack. And that combination helps control blood sugar, which is another key piece of the kidney health puzzle. High blood sugar over time is one of the main causes of kidney damage, so anything that helps stabilize glucose is a win. Another great tip: always stay hydrated. Your kidneys need water to flush out waste and balance minerals properly. If you're eating nuts regularly, make sure you're drinking enough throughout the day. At least 2 to 3 liters, unless your doctor says otherwise. Hydration is your kidney's best friend. Now, let's connect the dots. If you've got perfectly healthy kidneys, you don't need to fear nuts. You can enjoy a variety: almonds, pistachios, walnuts, pecans. Just be mindful of portion size and sodium. But if you've ever had kidney issues, high blood pressure, diabetes, or a family history of kidney disease, being selective matters. In that case, focus on macadamias, pecans, and walnuts. Limit almonds, pistachios, and cashews. And remember, this isn't medical advice. Everyone's kidneys are different, and mineral levels can vary based on medications, hydration, and overall diet. So if you have any kind of kidney condition, always talk to your doctor or dietitian before making big diet changes. The good news? You don't have to give up the foods you love. You just have to eat smarter. A handful of the right nuts, eaten the right way, can still support your health, giving you energy, heart protection, and satisfaction without overloading your kidneys. So next time you reach for a snack, think about your kidneys. They're doing an incredible job silently keeping your body balanced every single day. Give them a little help by choosing wisely. If this video helped you understand your food choices better, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because every week I break down real health science in plain English. No hype, no gimmicks, just useful, evidence-based info to help you feel better and live longer. Take care of your body, stay hydrated, and show your kidneys a little love. They deserve it.